nasabat ang mahigit 20,000 pisong halaga ng iligal na droga mula sa isang individual sa isinagawang drug bypass operation ng mga operatiba sa Negros Oriental. Ang buong detalye ng balita mula kay Patrolwoman Annalyn Canoog.
Nasabat ng kapulisan ng Bay City ang higit 20K na halaga ng shabu sa nagawang bypass operation ng mga operatiba sa Barangay Oquiot, Bay City, Negros Oriental. Kinilala ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Desiree D.S. Lavisto, Chief of Police ng Bay City Police Station, Negros Oriental Police Provincial Office. Ang suspect ni si Cyrus, 31 anyos, na residente ng Barangay Look, Bay City, Negros Oriental. Bandang alas 9:52 ng gabi na kinasa ng kapulisan ng bypass operation na nagresulta sa pagka-arrest ng suspect at pagkasabat ng 3 pakete ng hinalang shabu na may timbang na 3 gramo at standard drug price na 20,400 pesos at bypass money. Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Bay City Municipal Police Station ang suspect at maharap sa kasong paglabag sa RA 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002.
Bay City Police Station is very proud that by year 2024, we have 40 individuals were arrested through bypass operations for violation of Republic Act 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. One of those individuals recently arrested, named Cyrus Kin, we would like also to tell that we keep on doing through police operations, but as well as in crime prevention activities like police presence, conducting lectures through symposiums, attending barangay activities like BADAC or KADAC to let them know that violation of illegal drugs is very, very hard. It has a negative mental and psychological effects that will ruin your life. Now together, let's say no to drugs and yes to a brighter future for all. Yours truly, Lieutenant Colonel Lavisto, the Chief of Police of Bay City Police Station, would like also to say, to remind us and to remind everyone to work hard, to work hand in hand, to have a safer place to live. Let's work together and establish rapport to our community to attain this safer place to live, work, and do business.
Ang kapulisan ng Bay City ay patuloy sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya kontra illegal na droga. Ito ay sinod sa isang mga pangunahing prioridad ng pamahalaan na labanan ng mga sindikato ng droga sa pamamagitan ng pagtigil sa kanilang mga illegal na aktibidad at pagbuwag sa kanilang mga operasyon. Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ay yung PNN correspondent, Patrolwoman Annalyn N. Canoog, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.